Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Driftmitsu. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Driftmitsu. This huge line, all of these lines. It is currently 10 o'clock. Driving started from 9, and I believe the gates were open from like 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. So this line has been non-stop. This is crazy. I don't think I've seen a Mitsuri with this kind of line in at least 8 years. Try a wall ride right off the bat. So just be ready on this corner, watching that way. I sent it a little hard there, bud. I was like, I'm just gonna go for a big wall hit off the bat.
It's not that bad, actually.
It's not that bad, I know, it's just all fiberglass. We just need to zip tie the trunk down a bit. First lap out, get the wall hits out. That should be a thing. Sticker, first lap out, get the wall hits out.
First lap out, wall taps out.
Yeah, that's it. I messed up this corner. That was such a big hit.
A little bit, yeah.
One. All drift cars are just held together with zip ties, hopes and dreams of not getting a zero. All right, let's get off that for a sec, Riley. Oh, yeah?
Oh, she's good.
Yeah, she's mint. Higashi, 200 k's an hour, good? Yep. Just never undo this, ever again.
Ohio gozaimasu. We just had amazing laps, and I love drifting, and Japan is my favorite. Ohio. Amazing.
because the first day it's just total chaos. So you have to kind of just like keep your distance and only drive close with like the friends that you trust, while there's cars spinning out and crashing all around you. It's fun. It's the real Matsuri experience. And then you got guys like this with just a plain white shirt. Never trust a guy with a plain white shirt. Never. Zero chill on behind you. Straight on the door.
Yeah. I'm still figuring out where to initiate.
Oh, it's tough.
The lower the better.
Yeah, the lower the better.
It's just like figuring out where to go.
You'll figure it out.
That was my second lap, so we're doing
I know, you did great. It was easy to trace, it was great. Just a little shallow on the straight here, but that's because you don't know where to initiate.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Nighttime will be fun here.
Ooh, it's good. I know, and I'm still getting down, like I'm thinking ahead for the handbrake downshift.
Yeah.
Obviously, I've...
Right-hand drive things.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Like, you're coming up in third, right?
Yeah, third and then drop second.
Yeah.
But I'm kind of dropping second, like, as I'm transitioning, where I know I can drop it later.
Yeah, so you can just get on throttle faster. This is just a car stuck out on track with a blown up radiator. There's a whole exhaust system in the middle of the track there.
I'm like dad when I come here. You better pay attention and follow the rules. I don't want you to ruin this for me.
time for a new shell. I got tank slapped by an S14 on the frame rail. It's kinked in 3 places. This is shifted and is touching the brake master. It's done. What happened was I came over the hill. You'll see the footage on the GoPro, and I think someone got a drone shot of it. There was like 3 cars deep. Guy in the front stopped drifting, straightened out or something. And then I hit him, and an S14 comes straight over the hill, full tank slap straight into my frame rail. This is just what happens at Nishi sometimes. It's unfortunate, but I was already thinking about reshelling the car for the new year anyways. What a way to send it off. Rest in peace, Chaser. I don't know, maybe I can do something with it, but I don't know. See, now my brain's like, I don't want to let it go. Now I want to call Marco. I want to call my favorite Italian.
I was gonna say, yeah. This doesn't look like this is nothing Marco can't fix.
But should it be fixed? I think we'll let you guys decide. It's fixable, but is it worth it? This car's seen things. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive I can still drive this. I had to rip all the fan shroud out, get it, snap that, shifted all that. I had a, oh my God, the bottom is, oh yeah, that is, look, I have a front clip. You didn't move. Oh really? Yeah, thanks man. Yeah, just a silicon coupler and we're all good.
Coupler, you're good.
Yeah. Damn it, that's Rudnick's intercooler and stuff too. Now I own myself too. I was looking to rebuild this car anyways. I was literally 30 minutes away from packing up and heading home.
I know somewhere you can store the 1J temporarily.
No, Riley.
I know where he can swap the engine.
I like how everyone's just vultures like, hey, where's that 1J going?
See, we already changed this. That's why underneath it it's grey here, because this is all new. And I do have all of this brand new, but...
Tube front?
No.
Why not?
No, just reshell. I could get a new shell for $1,000.
Oh,
It doesn't make sense, yeah.
a GX.
I can get a GX so cheap, then I get a spare 1 GFE to mess around with.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
we should turbo that. Or maybe I bought an Altezza recently. Maybe that's the new drift missile, and we just put the drivetrain from this in it.
I'm all for this idea. I'm all for that idea.
I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm depressed or what. I'm so upset and annoyed, but because I shouldn't have jumped in that ditch. I'm blaming everything on Dom. It's Dom's fault.
What did I do?
You only brought suspension. You should have brought the brakes.
I probably need a new coil over now on that stuff.
Oh, no.
All right, let's pack it up and go home.
Outro.
What am I doing, guys? Do I rebuild the Chaser? Or do I reshell it? That's the cheapest, fastest option. Or... I don't know. Do we just say goodbye to the JZX life? This is looking really good right now. This is why you bring 2 cars to Mitsuru.
What happened to the other car?
I swear my son thinks I'm a professional, like, car crasher. Big crash.
Big crash.
I got tank slapped by an S14. I love that he's just eating ice cream. Okay. Alright, well, I'll see you at home. Well, guys, this is where the Chaser's gonna sit for a bit till I can find another shell or figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Leave her in storage. Time to go home, go back to Tokyo.